This guy, bro. Imagine watching yourself from two accounts at once. You're watching yourself from your phone, and then you're watching yourself from your PC. How I don't know? Because an account named Richoka, which you mispronounced because you meant it that way when creating it. Fuck it. I'm not gonna explain it. You know what you are. You're a dirty viewbot. Imagine viewbotting just two viewers. I'm just gonna show you this level here. I'm gonna fake click because I'm Space UK. Shit, I forgot to no clip. It's really fucking unsynced for now. I'll sync it someone. I just wanted to finish this part of it for now. It is also really unbalanced, as you see here. That part of the end was no clipped. Yep. That's it. Oh, verified. I can finally post it. I definitely didn't just fucking cheat it. Bro, imagine watching myself from two accounts though.